Hi guys, YouTube product reviews here, and today we're doing VidScribe AI review and bonus. VidScribe is a new software product put out by Cyril Jeet Gupta, and he always puts out amazing products, and this is no exception. With this particular product, you can transcribe, translate, and redub your videos, which is amazing. You're using the same technology that Amazon uses for Alexa. And so basically this is your dashboard. When you come in, you can see everything going on, your number of campaigns, any number of campaigns completed, number of campaigns in process, and number of social accounts. So basically you can make all these things, but let's talk about the you actually have the ability to upload straight from this software. You can add both YouTube, Facebook, and even Dropbox to do your uploads, as well as, of course, here's your upload section, and you can select the campaign you want and do your uploads. Whenever you are working on a project or a campaign, let's go into campaigns, you'll see this window here. Of course, you can delete anything. You can start your campaigns, and let's take a look at a campaign. If you've already done your initial thing, you've pretty much got to follow this order because you've got to get your video in there first, and that's what you're looking at here, is upload a video file. So you put something in here, and if you can pull it up from your computer, or you can put in a YouTube URL. If it's a YouTube URL, it's going to download it to your computer, and then it will work on it. You also have to select the language of the video. But let's run back here to a campaign for a second. Now once you've got that in there, then the next thing you have to do is really pretty simple. Once you've queued it up for everything, then you've got to get your transcript, and so you put it in your queue, and it will come back eventually. It may take some time. This is the only part that's a little bit slower, and then you go through and review it and clean it up so that you have your accurate transcript the way you want it to sound, and what you were saying in there. Then you do want to save that from that point on, that you've got your transcript in there, and go back to your campaign, and from there this is where you can actually start doing stuff. You can make your SRTs next, so let's go take a look at that. You can take this in here and go in and find whatever language you want to use and translate these into a number of languages. So say we want to do Swedish in there, boom, then we would hit save and download. It will go into the queue, and you're going to get your SRT back. This is much faster than the original transcript, so it comes back pretty quick, and you'll get that in there, whatever language you've selected here. But be sure and save it first. Then once you have that, go back to your campaign. Obviously you get your SRTs, and then you can go in and make your video subtitles. Now you're going to have to do this before you really do this, so you want to have had this translated into whatever language you're going to use, and so you would which would come from your last section, doing the SRTs. Whatever one you did last is going to be in here, and so you've got to select that version, hit go, and get your translated version in here before you can add it to your video. So the step then is to save it and then go in and generate your video. Pretty simple, and it comes back fairly fast as well. And then the last part is going in and doing your voiceovers. Again, we're using Alexa type voiceovers, and so you would select whatever voice you're wanting this to be in, and in this case let's say we wanted it to come out in Danish, Dutch, whatever. That voice is going to speak in whatever language you've got here. So you want to make sure you've got the language here that you want this to be dubbed in. Now you actually have the second option of doing the subtitle across the video again, as well as just doing the dubbing. So you can do either one, or you can do, you can do the voice, or you can do the voice and the subtitles. And you want to save it once you've got that selected, and then hit generate, and it'll go into the queue, and you'll get your video back shortly. It doesn't take long on these, it's just the initial transcription that takes some time. And there's nothing really to set up in here. This is just setting up your fonts for the transcription on your videos, and so everything pretty much comes out very simple. The one thing that we want to talk about is you'll have to select a folder where you want everything to go for that particular campaign, and stay in that particular folder while things are being generated. Then you'll get back, here's your videos, here's your SRT files. They come back, and one of the things that let's see, show you real quick.
今天在线最好的免费 Spindex 生成器，我想给你看一些功能。基本上，我们将在1秒钟内完成 Spindex。我想告诉你另一个。
So you can get both the transcription down here at the bottom, as well as the language that you've chosen, which is in this case Chinese, and that's what you're seeing. It comes out very good, actually. Let's get rid of that, and then all you have to do is select and listen to it if you want to. Your SRT files have to be uploaded to your YouTube account for that particular video that you've uploaded, and that's going to be a bonus. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in this product if you buy it through my link. So let's take a look at something else real quick. And I wanted to bring out a major point here, is that in the US alone, there's at least 20% of the population, if not more, that speak a foreign language, and most of those, if not all of them, the foreign language is their native language, and so English is actually their second language oftentimes, and at home they'll speak their native language. They will type in their native language, do computer searches in their native language. And so if you're going to reach them, you have to reach them in their native language. And that's one of the points of this whole software, is you're able to generate totally unique videos with subtitles if you want to leave it all in English, or basically you can actually redub the video into their native language so they can hear it in their native language. And it's the best in class that you're going to get as far as the voices go for the dubbing. The dubbing will come out better if you have a very good transcript and you speak plainly and clearly into your original videos. That's the part with the dubbing, but you're going to reach a large percentage of people, and there's actually estimated like 2 billion or more worldwide market that you could reach by doing voices and translations in people's native language. So there's a lot of people you can reach with this software. So that's what I wanted to point out, that 65 million Americans speak a second language, and often that's their native language, and so you're going to reach them. And the point is, when you're using videos, if you're particularly YouTube, ranking for that local search is 5 times easier because there's so much less competition in other languages than there is in English. And so local language users see less advertising. You're going to attract more attention and get higher click-through rates. Your ranking is going to be better in YouTube when you upload multiple SRT files for different languages to that one video, whatever it is. And basically you can turn one video into hundreds. The other thing is you're not just translating from English, you can translate from any language to any language on these videos, so it doesn't matter what your original video is in. You can take that and translate it into any particular language that is available. So one thing you really do need to know about this product, it's rather important, is the launch window, I believe, is 7 days. Once the initial launch is over with, the launch price is gone. It's going to increase dramatically, and the product is going to go to a yearly renewal at that point too. So there'll be a price increase and a yearly renewal fee to be able to use this product after the initial launch. So if you're going to get it, I actually recommend you get it now during the initial launch 7-day window. And the initial product is going to be somewhere between $21 and $37. You really do probably want to consider the upgrade, the OTO1, which is going to get you the Pro version, and that will give you unlimited everything. You'll be able to put unlimited YouTube, Facebook accounts in here. You'll be able to do all your stuff in your campaigns. Let's go over that basically. With the initial version, all this is going to be limited. You're only going to have a certain number per day that you can do. But when you go to the Pro version, your SRTs, your subtitles, your voiceover is all going to be unlimited, just like the number of accounts you can put into here and upload directly to your YouTube or Facebook. And so this is a very good OTO to get, is the OTO1. The other two OTOs are not directly related to this product, but they have other uses if you're interested in them. Obviously you can pick them up, but the one that's really important is the OTO1, and so I highly recommend that you get that. Now let's talk bonuses for a minute. Basically this does a lot of things for you, but it doesn't show you everything. There will be a product that's going to show you video SEO, particularly for the foreign language local market type situations. Now this product doesn't do translation for some things that are available inside of YouTube, and I'm going to show you that as a bonus, how easy it is to do by yourself, or there is another product that will get you the ability to translate that particularly very well and easy and much faster than you can do it by yourself, and I'll talk about that as well in the bonus. And we're going to show you that there are a couple of different ways that you can use this product. One is that you can use it just on your regular accounts, okay? And so you can have multiple different languages and videos all on that one account. Or, and here's the one that's going to be harder for you guys. I'm going to show you where you can get accounts that are already set up in any particular language you want, so that you'll be able to take full use of that. And these accounts are going to be not just your YouTube accounts, but they're going to be IFTTT. They're set up for being very powerful, and so you set that up in a native language, and then you run your videos in there and use your IFTTT rings. You're going to have a lot more power to rank in these local markets, and so I'm going to show you how to get those and where to get those accounts for like 16 bucks. And so it's really pretty simple. That's probably one of the most unique bonuses you're going to find anywhere. And we also have available, I've been given permission to release Chris Derenberger's YouTube Supremacy course. So you're going to get the YouTube Supremacy course, and I it's one of the better courses you'll come across. It's a very, very unique course, and it tells you a lot about ranking and doing affiliate work on YouTube. So those are my unique bonuses. You're not going to get most of these anywhere else. That's what I wanted to point out, is that we're going to show you how to take what you're doing here and make it better inside of YouTube. I'll show you how to upload the SRTs. I'll show you how to do the translation in the places that this doesn't do translation that are available on YouTube. We're going to show you how to get the accounts already set up in other languages if you want to take full advantage and get the most use out of using this particular tool. Then you'll be able to do so and make it so much better. But you're going to be able to reach a huge market, and that's the main important thing in VidScribe, is that you want to make all these videos will be unique. And so that's what's important, is now you can reach those audiences, over 2 billion people, and you know, have a larger untapped market that you've had before. Instead of all competing for the same English market, now you can compete worldwide, basically, for these local language markets. And that's what you're getting with this tool, is the ability to reach out and do a very good job and make tons and tons of unique videos, all from one video. That's extremely important if you understand your SEO, which you're going to learn more about that in Chris Derenberger's YouTube Supremacy course, as well as some things I will show you in my unique bonuses. So I do want to thank you for watching VidScribe AI review and bonus, and I hope you're going to consider picking this up, because it is well worth it. I've been looking for a product like this for a long time, and this just opened the door to me and the things I want to do to reach out to people worldwide. So thanks for watching. Pick up VidScribe today. Click the link below this video to get it. And thanks for watching VidScribe AI review and bonus.